I would potentially do audio for porn just to see how it goes.
If anyone is doing porn and they need an audio guy,
I'll do it.
hit up Thor. He'll do the boom mic and stuff.
I'll put the boom mic place.
Or porn. He's got a
no.
He's got a meaty cat. What's up? Today is Friday and we don't have much planned. We're gonna work on some music, write some music, get the good jams in, you know. But right now everyone's catching their showers, getting dressed so we don't smell like a dirty beehole. But yeah, after that we are gonna go catch some food. I think we're thinking Hardee's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Hardee's. Yeah. Alright, everybody is dressed and we are about to go ahead and head out and get this Hardee's. Ready for it, dog?
Yeah, dog.
Ready for it?
Yeah, dog.
Alright, we have made it to the Hardee's.
Oh, thank you.
Where are you going to be sitting?
Over there.
Okay.
Can I get a to-go tray?
You want a box?
A box? Thank you. Alright, we're done with food. We came to GameStop. Stone wants to look around at some VG games.
Power adapters for like the old Gamecube.
I do not in the store.
Alright, we left GameStop. Thor is now on a hunt for a GameCube power strip because he brought that GameCube over to my place last weekend, but we have no way to power it, and GameCube is like the shiz. Ain't that right, man?
Yeah, dog.
Trying to play that GameCube.
We want to play that GameCube.
Trying to play that GameCube,
For sure
dog.
We want to play that GameCube.
Yeah, man. Alright, we stopped at a gas station to grab some energy drinks. We have found a location that has the GameCube power strip, so we're about to go there so we can get this power strip and play some GameCube.
Yeah, man.
I'm on the search for this like sweet tart gummy candy that I can't find anywhere that like Kelsey had at one point. And they're so good. What are these? These look dope.
Alright, so we just made it to this game store. It's called Gamers. So if you're ever in Villa Rica, Georgia, come check it out. It's they have like a bunch of old school systems, you know, old school video games, things like that.
Yeah. You guys got games in it too?
We do. Games on the back wall and that.
PlayStation 1, PlayStation 2, original Xbox games, whole bunch of GameCube, old school Nintendo games, more old school Nintendo games, N64 games, Sega Genesis games, yes, Game Boy, even more Game Boy, got that Atari stuff.
Find missing.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, sir.
Now I cannot find where they were packed up in. And midway to 1604.
What'd you get, man?
We got a GameCube power cable.
Now we're gonna be playing some
We can play some
GameCube,
games now, and we got a couple new games. We got Dragon Ball Z Budokai,
some Dragon Ball Z.
and then we got some weird arcade shit that Stone wanted.
Yeah, arcade games. I saw it had
man.
Rampage on it though, and Rampage was like one
I
of
remember
my...
Rampage.
It's got like Rampage in the first 3 Mortal Kombats.
Alright, we've made it back. We're about to get this GameCube session going.
Yeah, dog.
We're about to be playing GameCube
Yeah, dog.
all night.
All night, never stop.
All night.
We're gonna get poop buckets.
Yeah, we ain't even, we're getting poop buckets and like catheters and stuff, so we ain't gotta get up. Getting this GameCube set up.
GameCube.
Yeah, about to be playing them Vigi games, dog.
Vigi games.
Yeah, Vigi games. Alright, we're setting up to play some video games, and my camera is almost dead, so I'm gonna let this charge for a little while. I'll see you guys when this is charged. Alright, so we moved on from Mario Kart Double Dash to Sonic.
So you can see it in the top corner. 10.
Alright, the video game session has moved upstairs.
Yeah.
It's getting kind of late, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.